In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where Google Assistant voice is not coming or responding on your Android device. This is a very common problem and can be extremely frustrating, especially when you rely on hands-free voice commands while driving or during daily tasks. One of the biggest advantages of far less controlled modern smartphones is voice control and sound related. So when Google Assistant doesn't respond, it can seriously be smart and find words from one who must find her way to the other. The good news is that this issue is usually easy to fix and doesn't require waiting for updates from Google. The first thing you should try is disabling and re-enabling the Hey Google hot word, the details of the Google work stuff. To do this, open the Settings app on your phone and go to your Google account settings. From there, tap on Services, then Search, then Assistant and Voice, and select Voice Match. In this section, you'll see the toggle for Hey Google. Turn this option off completely, then restart your device. Once your phone has rebooted, go back to the same menu and turn Hey Google back on. After re-enabling it, test the feature to see if Google Assistant responds. If that doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to retrain your voice model. Go back to the voice match screen where you enabled Hey Google. Tap on Voice Model, then select Retrain Voice Model. Follow the on-screen instructions by repeating the phrases Google asks you to say. This helps Google Assistant relearn your voice and often fixes recognition and response issues. In most cases, one of these two methods will restore Google Assistant voice functionality and allow you to use hands-free commands normally again. When using voice assistants and online services, it's also important to make sure your internet connection is stable and secure. When using voice assistants and online services, it's also important to make sure your internet connection is stable and secure. Using a trusted VPN, like NordVPN, can help protect your data and ensure a smooth private connection, especially on public or shared Wi-Fi networks. NordVPN is easy to use, works on Android devices, and keeps your online activity encrypted. It also comes with a risk-free money-back guarantee. Use the link in the description to get NordVPN and keep your device and data secure while using Google Assistant.